Okay, bad news, everyone. We are done for this month's workshop. I am just finishing everything up. The kids' room is cleaned up for the most part. And pizza has been put away or eaten. And we are calling it good. We were able to help another family get pre-qualified and stop renting and actually purchase a home. We have home buyers from last month's workshop who's actually closing in counting down 8 days. So basically, you know, we're sorry we missed you tonight, but please, please don't give up that dream of home ownership. Please join us for our next event, which will be in April. Feel free to check on our Facebook page and look up all the information for that. Because number one, we want you to not give up on your dream of home ownership. We want you to actually stop renting and actually purchase your home. And if anything else, we'll hope to see you next month. All right, see you in April. Bye.